Hey, Trucks, all right, before you go to the work 20, and I just rolled a quick little video gate. I should have been doing it earlier, but I was sipping on that coffee, man. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of this video gate in. I had to post up on the internet today, Trucks. And the Mobile, your friend, Big Dog, Keystone, Small Hammer, 10 watts, got down.
Yeah, you say you're rolling that video gate. I appreciate you rolling that gate. Wonderful to small hammer in this mobile too. This burgundy beast of a suburban there, big dog. But you sound like a big dog down here in the bluegrass. No two ways about it. Big dog, truck, and more truck, waving and stepping. Bye, bye, bye. Radio.
410, real good copy. It ain't long. It's only 41 seconds. It's still going. But that thing is working real good, man, with that hi-fi fidelity audio in the Mobile. No doubt about it. Take care, Trucks. Yo, Big Dog. Small hammer. 10 watts got down.
Yeah, I appreciate it, big